Hi, and welcome back. In this session, let us walk you through the intuitive restore methods available in HYCU. HYCU helps with granular file, folder, disk, as well as full system recovery. Most recovery requests are for the individual files and folders, or specific database and application content, not for the full system. Once you find the right machine, select the restore point you want to recover from. Click on Restore Files and HYCU will automatically mount the VM image, allowing you to browse through the file tree and select required files or folders. If VM discovery was performed, you can restore the data back into the VM. If not, you can always restore it into a share or simply download it to your local computer. If selected restore point's snapshot is no longer available on the cluster, HYCU will seamlessly mount the disks directly from your storage target. Granular file and folder recovery will be performed directly from any target without the need to recover the full image. If your VM is lost, it will be straightforward to restore it in place using Restore VM option. You can also choose to restore it as a new VM by using Clone VM option. Simply select a storage container from any of your clusters and tweak the name to fit your needs, or leave the timestamp variation. HYCU seamlessly supports restoring the VM between different hypervisors, or even migrate or DR into the cloud with spin-up to cloud option. When restoring, you can always choose the source of the restore, a snapshot, primary backup, copy, or an archive, making it simple to test your backups as well. And if you want to perform a test restore into a sandboxed environment, be sure to select the appropriate network. To speed up the restore, you can also recover explicitly just one or more disks. More than often, you will need to clone your production disk into a DevOps environment. Simply use HYCU's Clone vDisks option and clone the required disk directly into a different VM. Or export a disk as a full image using Export vDisks option. The application view lets you focus on recovering your application as a whole or granularly. Let's look into our MS SQL Server. Once you select the desired restore point, you will be able to select a complete instance for restore, or one or more databases. If the SQL Server databases in your environment are configured to use the full recovery model, HYCU will be able to perform restore into a specific point in time by applying transaction log files to your database during restore. You can also restore the database into a different instance, or into the same instance but with a different name. In a similar fashion, recover your Exchange server by restoring individual databases to the original or alternate Exchange servers, or into a recovery database. On a more granular note, simply select and recover individual mailboxes. If Oracle is your DB of choice, use HYCU to recover the database into a point in time, or granularly recover table spaces. Just try HYCU and experience the modern data protection simplicity. Happy HYCUing!